Duplicate photos in Illustrator and photos organization. Do you often struggle to keep your Adobe Illustrator photos organized? Is your collection messed with too many duplicate versions of the same photos? If so, stay with us to learn how to fix it. Download PictureEcho. Click on System Scan. Click on Add Path and choose a folder to scan. If you wish to scan for exact matching duplicate photos, select Exact Match, or else go with Similar Match for nearly identical dupes. Start the scan. Use the in-house file selection features in the Select Duplicates button. You can select photos by their freshness, sizes, resolution, locations, etc. Finally, delete your dupes. Photos organization. Tip 1. Store photos in neatly organized folder structures. 2. Use descriptive names for your images. Tip 3. Edit metadata of your photos. Tip 4. Take regular backups.